Um, my group home's a very, they'll do it for you. They're a very hold my hand type thing, but it's more holding your hand as if you were a 2 year old. They're doing everything for you. They're making you watch it, but they're not actually having you do it. I mean, they had cooking where every day you had to come home, and if it was your day to cook, you would have to go in the kitchen and cook. But you weren't actually cooking; you were just watching the staff cook, and it went on for a bit, and then they just got rid of it. There's no more cooking days. Laundry, we did a laundromat trip, and they did, like, I was watching, but I know the 12-year-old and the other kids weren't watching, but they did all the coins by themselves. They did all the laundry from the car inside to themselves. They did all the changing it by themselves. We just sat on stools the whole time. It's it's life skills without your life. So it's just not teaching. While for me, I've learned, like, even at work, the way they do it at work really helps me. They'll have you sit and watch one time, and then they'll have you do a board by yourself. So you get to watch it, you get to try it by yourself, and then if you mess up on it, they'll they'll have you do it while they watch you do it, and then they'll fix you up. And by the fourth board you do, you should have it down. And it tends to have everyone in the warehouse working smoothly.